ma'am is the bending path of the light, and ma'am, there's displacement between the actual object and the apparent object.
Yes. So mainly refraction of light means whenever light is passing from a medium, one medium to the other medium. Suppose from here it is entering the lens. So what will happen? The light ray doesn't pass straight. And what happens? You can see they just bend away. Sometimes have you seen you have taken a glass of water, transparent glass of water, and you have taken a spoon. Have you seen the spoon being appeared to be bent?
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
करके देखो.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just bring a, all of you just bring a glass of water, transparent glass of water and a spoon or a scale.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone show. Yes, everyone can show me. This is an activity today you are going to do. You will be seeing that. Yes. Ultimately, what will happen? You will not see the straight spoon. So it will just bend. And that process is due to a process that is called refraction. All of you bring.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Just put a spoon inside. You have got a spoon, a long spoon. देखो just you see it will bend. Yes, Prem, put inside something. कोई भी stick हो, scale हो, spoon हो, but that should be an opaque object. Just put it inside water. Put anything, a long thing inside water. Just you see it will bend. Just keep the keep the slanting. Prem in a slanting position. Yes. You will see that it is not in a straight line. देखो बाहर और just to see, you can see that that is bending the length. So all of you can see. Keep anything slanting, not straight, not perpendicular, but slanting. You will see that the a spoon or the object that you have kept, the pencil or anything appears to be bent. दूर से देखो, सामने से नहीं. तानिया थोड़ा सा रखो, टेबल के ऊपर रखो, and you see the spoon will appear to be bent, and the glass should be full of water. Means most of प्रेम का सबसे अच्छा दिख रहा है. देखो प्रेम का, you can see the pencil ऊपर में that it's very distinct. Yes, Prem. So this is called refraction. Have you got that? Whenever light is falling or coming from, light is falling on the pencil, and after reflection it is coming from the water to the air. At that time it is the bending. Can you see, Tanya? Can you see the bending of the spoon? So all of you can see. Okay. Just Shraddha, keep the back of the spoon. Shraddha, now everyone keep the back of the spoon in the slanting position. Back नहीं, उल्टा करो. पीछे की तरफ मतलब अंदर पानी में करो. That is not having that bulge portion. हाँ, इसको और भी अच्छे से देख पाओगी. जैसे कि पेंसिल रखा है ना, प्रेम का सबसे अच्छा दिख रहा था. Can you see the bending?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now Shraddha, you can see that the two lines are parallel, but actually not meeting. The end of the where it has been end. The spoon ends, the water and the air starts. Can you see, children? So this is the phenomenon of refraction. Am I clear to all of you? So refraction of light is the bending of the light when light passes from one medium to another medium. Based on that, the lenses work on the principle of refraction. Okay. So this much I think. Chandresh, what you have learned? You haven't learned more, na? ये class आप नहीं किए हो?
Yes,
The convex lens. So just see the first diagram, everyone. This is very important, children. That whenever parallel rays of light are falling on a convex lens, this is the convex lens. At the center it is bulging, and at the it is tapering. Two sides is tapering. So when parallel rays are falling on the lens, after refraction they will bend. But convex lens, they bend the light at any point. So these converging rays are meeting at a point. What kind of image will be formed? When their actual meeting of the rays,
real image.
real image will be formed. Very good. It will be a real image. So in case of convex lens, when parallel beams of light are coming and falling, the rays after refraction, they will actually meet at a point. What is the point called? Focus.
Ma'am, focus.
Lens में हो या mirror में हो, if it is any in case of lens or mirror, when parallel rays of light are coming and they are meeting at a point or supposed to be meeting at a point, that point is called the focus. You should remember always. आपको कोई unknown भी magnifying glass दिया गया है और unknown mirror दिया गया है, so you just have to focus the parallel rays of the sun on a paper. So that will be the focal length. आप आगे जाके करोगे, जब अभी नहीं, but when you are going to read in class. So this is the first case. Okay, is it clear? Convex lens, Chandresh, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So they
ma'am.
are called the converging rays. Next, just go to the next नीचे जो है, that is they are called the concave lens. Concave, बीच में पतला है and the two sides are thicker. They actually diverge after refraction. They actually diverge the rays. Okay, so when parallel rays of light are coming and falling on a concave lens, the rays are diverged away from the normal. Normal means if we consider a ray to be falling at a 90 degree, 90 degree से diverge हो जाएगा, it will diverge away. You can see all the four rays are diverging away.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Only the
ma'am.
center, only the center में जो ray है that is falling on the lens
Yes,
at
ma'am.
90 degree, it is not diverging, है ना? That is the principal axis. If a ray is passing through the principal axis, it is not getting diverged, but all other rays are diverging. So will they meet at a point ever? Never.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So we will actually trace back its path at the back. On the left hand side, you can see I have traced back the path and they are supposed to be meeting at a point, not actual. So what will be the image? It will be a virtual
Ma'am.
image.
Ma'am, and diminished as well.
And diminished also. Yes, virtual and diminished also. So this is also the focus of the concave lens. Is it clear? So
Yes,
convex lenses are called
Yes, ma'am, it is
converging
clear.
lens as because they converge the beam of rays of light, and concave lenses are called diverging lens because as parallel rays of light are falling, they are actually diverging them away from the normal. As a result, the rays will not meet after refraction. If we trace back the path, it will supposed to be meeting at a point, and that is the focus. Am I clear now to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the real
Ma'am.
thing that we have read. Image formed by lenses, that also we have read. Just now I told you that what will be the image. It will be inverted, it will be real, and it will be diminished. Diminished matlab chota. Okay. And in
Yes.
case of concave
Yes, ma'am.
lens, in case of concave lens, the image will always be virtual. Virtual images are always erect, and
Yes,
it will be
ma'am.
diminished. But in one condition with convex lens, the image will be formed as virtual like concave mirror. Concave mirror में बताए थे ना, if the object is very near to the mirror, it will form a virtual image. Similarly, in case of convex lens, if the object is very near to the lens, then also virtual image will be formed. So,
Yes, ma'am.
if I ask you, give an example of a mirror that can give both real image and virtual image, what will be the answer? A mirror that
So
can
convex
give
mirror.
concave, not vex.
Ma'am,
Concave mirror.
Ma'am,
Concave mirror.
Yeah.
ये पूछा गया है.
Ma'am, concave mirror.
And
Okay,
convex
ma'am.
lens is the lens which gives both the image. So just ulta. Lens or mirror में just it is the opposite. Concave mirror and convex lens, they will give both real image and virtual image. And convex mirror and concave lens will always give diminish, virtual, erect image.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are going to go to the next topic, that is the dispersion of light. I think we have read about dispersion. Yes or no, Shraddha?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
now
ma'am.
so what happened? This is the phenomenon that I told you. You can see I have shown you the prism at last classes. I think I have shown you. So this is a prism.
Yes,
This is a
ma'am.
prism.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will be
Yes, ma'am.
showing you. Today I
Ma'am,
am
you
not
have
having.
shown us. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, last chapter.
Ma'am, you have shown.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Chapter 14, you had shown prism.
Yes. So just see, this is a prism. A beam of white rays are falling on one side of the prism. All of you can see.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when they are passing through the prism, you know, a rays of
Yes,
light.
ma'am.
White light contains 7 colors. Vibgyor, all
Yes,
you know.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
whenever it passes through that solid surface, that is, they are coming from air, and when it is entering a separate medium, there will be refraction. Hoga na refraction?
Yes,
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
air is a medium and the prism is a medium. So this prism will just deflect or deviate the rays, all the 7 colors at different angle. And as a result, the 7 colors will be scattered. That is a process called dispersion of light.
Dispersion of light.
Whenever a white beam of light is passed through a prism, all the 7 colors dispersed, and a phenomenon is called dispersion of light. From this activity, we have proved that a white light contains 7 colors.
Ma'am,
Seven
seven
colors.
colors. Yeah,
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Seven
Clear to all of
colors.
you? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.